recipe with you guys, and it's peanut noodles, and this is supposed to be a really quick, really easy recipe, so let's get at it. Before we start making our sauce, let's get our water boiling for our noodles. Now back to getting our sauce going, we only need a few ingredients. So peanut butter, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and maple syrup. So you don't have to use maple syrup. The person who posted this recipe said you could use medjool dates to provide the sweetness for your sauce. So that would be easy if you were going to be using a blender to combine your sauce together. And I'm just gonna do mine in a bowl. So I'm using maple syrup and I'm using natural peanut butter. Something that used to turn me off to peanut sauces was the thought of like your original Jif peanut butter that's really sweet. I didn't want that in like a savory dish, but natural peanut butter doesn't have any sugar added to it, so that's what I'll be using. I'm using creamy. The recipe poster said that they used crunchy, but whatever you prefer. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using low sodium. Two tablespoons of rice vinegar. Mine is unsweetened. Two tablespoons of maple syrup. And then 2 tablespoons of our peanut butter. So let's just whisk that all together or blend it, whatever you're using, until you have a nice smooth consistency. So there we have it. We have it relatively smooth. Our peanut butter has little teeny tiny pieces in it, so it's not perfect, but if you'd like to have a super smooth sauce, go ahead and use a blender. So for our peanut noodles, you can use whatever noodles you prefer. Today I'm using rice noodles. I think if you had a package of ramen, you could just use the noodles from the ramen packet and cook those, and those would be a perfect option for this. So whatever noodles you have on hand or whatever noodles you prefer, just use those. So once our water for our noodles is boiling, before you add your noodles, let's give it some salty love. And then go right in with your noodles. Our recipe does not call for this, but I'm actually going to put my sauce into a frying pan. And I'm going to heat up our sauce. So that when our noodles are ready, we're just going to transfer them right into our warm peanut sauce. Alrighty, so when your pasta is done, I'm just going to take mine right from our pan and put it right into our sauce. So I have my sauce. We're going to turn that down to low. We don't need it boiling. And then you can, once it starts to bubble a little bit, you can just turn your heat right off. And I just took my pasta right from my pasta water because I want to keep some of that starch from the pasta, that pasta water, on the pasta so that it incorporates with our peanut sauce and it just kind of helps everything stick to the noodles. Beautiful. All right, let's plate that up. Or bowl. Let's do a bowl. Alright, so you can garnish your peanut noodles with peanuts, some cilantro, some green onion, and I'm going to do green onion. You can do as much or as little as you want. Garnish as you please. And without further ado, let's dig in. Make sure we get some green onion. Maybe. There we go. More green onion for me, but these are rich and hearty, and if you like peanut sauce, give these a try. Such a simple idea for a quick lunch, too. And that's partially why I suggested the packet of ramen noodles, because then you don't have to guess on how many noodles you need. One thing I think I'll add is a pinch of salt. And if you're a garlic person, you could totally add some minced garlic to your sauce. Well, this is my first time making peanut noodles, so give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. And if you have a peanut noodle recipe that you really enjoy, leave it down below in the comments. I'd love to check it out. Thank you all for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I drop the next video. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and one last tidbit. If your sauce is too thick or it gets too thick, just add a spoon or two of your pasta water and that'll thin it out perfectly. Oh, the green onion. What?